Have you ever been rained out on your beach day? Well, that happened to John and I when we went to Chincoteague, Virginia. But hey, a little rain can't stop us from having fun.
Are you experiencing difficulty with your internet connection? Trouble with cell phones? This could be the reason. This is all that remains of the transatlantic cable. I can't back that up, but it's possible and it's broken.
After John was done diagnosing the island's internet problems, we decided to go looking for a place with a roof and found the visitor center. Pick up a shell. I'm not picking up a shell, but you can pick up a shell. Go ahead. Want to roll up your sleeve.
Your little animal.
Creepy crawler. With his super wet, soggy sleeve, we left this visitor center on the beach and trudged through the rain to find yet another place to shelter from the storm. The Herbert Bateman Welcome Center is a beautiful facility with interpretive displays about the history of Chincoteague and Assateague Islands, lots of fun things for the kids to see, and of course, a gift shop run by the Friends of Chincoteague. Just across the street from the Welcome Center sits the Assateague Lighthouse. Now, you know I had to go see it even if it was raining. The 142-foot high lighthouse was constructed in 1867 at a cost of $55,000. Believe it or not, it's still navigating sailors past the shoals of the lower Assateague Island. The light can be seen 19 miles offshore. Sufficiently soaked, we headed back to the truck to explore the rest of Chincoteague.
So this is Main Street in Chincoteague, Virginia. And perhaps you have a different idea of what a Main Street means when you think about it. We're going to keep going down this road to see if we can find a business district.
Well, we didn't really find a business district, but we did find something totally cool. The oldest house on the island. This is the Captain Timothy Hill house. It was built around 1800. Now, the story goes that Captain Hill was shipwrecked near Chincoteague, but times being what they were, he settled down, married, and raised 7 kids in this little house. Not only is it the oldest house in Chincoteague, it's one of only 2 buildings still standing in Virginia with a wooden chimney. For about as long as I can remember, I've associated Chincoteague with the Wild Pony Roundup. And darned if we didn't find the fairgrounds where they hold the Wild Pony Roundup and sale every July. We had a great time at Chincoteague in the rain, so if it rains on your beach day, don't stay in your hotel or camper. Go explore the area. You'll find all kinds of unexpected things you never would have found if the sun was shining. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and be sure to hit that notification bell. And for even more fun tales, check out our other playlists at youtube.com/thefunchasers.